The Trump administration has agreed to allow the sale of a controversial gun accessory that enables semi-automatic rifles to fire more rapidly, sparking outrage from gun control advocates who warn it could lead to more mass shootings. The Department of Justice announced the move as part of a settlement with Rare Breed Triggers, resolving litigation initially brought by the Biden administration. Attorney General Pamela Bondi defended the decision, stating that the Second Amendment is not a second-class right, and that the agreement would help end unnecessary legal battles while promoting public safety. The device in question, known as a forced reset trigger or FRT, speeds up firing by automatically resetting the trigger after each shot. The Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives had previously classified FRTs as illegal machine guns under the National Firearms Act of 1934, which has long restricted such weapons. Civilian manufacturing of machine guns was completely banned in 1986, under legislation supported by the NRA. In 2023, the Justice Department filed a lawsuit in New York against Rare Breed, blocking sales of FRTs. However, a separate lawsuit in Texas, filed by the National Association for Gun Rights, led to a ruling that the ban was unlawful. The new settlement resolves both cases and aligns with a February executive order from Donald Trump focused on strengthening Second Amendment rights. Dudley Brown, president of the National Association for Gun Rights, hailed the decision as a victory for gun owners, saying it set a lasting precedent for holding federal agencies accountable. As part of the settlement, Rare Breed Triggers agreed not to design FRTs for pistols and to encourage safe use of their products. Despite these conditions, the agreement has faced heavy criticism. Vanessa Gonzalez of Gifford said the administration had effectively legalized machine guns, calling it a dangerous decision that will cause significant harm. Chris Brown, president of Brady United, echoed those concerns, warning that the deal would allow military-style weapons to be bought anonymously and without background checks. She called it a reckless abuse of power that reverses decades of progress in gun safety and endangers communities nationwide. CNN has reached out to Rare Breed Triggers for comment on the settlement.